Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to view hours played on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course download the Ubisoft Connect application. If you're having struggles with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have a separate video on that so you can know how to do it. Then you just need to go and log into your profile, register to Ubisoft of course if you don't have an account. But now let's see what we have in front of us. So on the left side of the screen, we have, as you can see, your profile, home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. We have the download manager and the Ubisoft subscribe in the top right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and view hours played on Ubisoft Connect. So click on the Games tab in the main menu. So you have the library where you can go and check out all of your games. You have free games, my games, whatever. But at the moment, I don't have any games. But be sure when you buy a game, that game will be here in your library. Then choose a game which you want to view your statistics. Click on the statistics option, so just check out how much hours you played it. You'll be able to see a detailed breakdown of your gameplay statistics, including hours played, kills, win-loss ratio, and more. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.